Next, work done in work done in an isothermal process. Isothermal process. So already we know that what is the indicator diagram. So from indicator diagram, so A to B. So here P1, this is P, here value. This is small change dV. So here P1, P2, C, D, C dash, D dash. So here value V1 and V2. So this is the indicator diagram. So indicator diagram means the graph between P and V. So here when an ideal gas expands isothermally, work is done by the gas against the external surroundings, and an equivalent amount of heat flows from outside into the gas. So that temperature remains constant. Let 1 gram mole of an ideal gas expands isothermally, and here we have to consider P1 comma P2, or we can take P initial and P final. So here we have to take P1 P2 or P initial comma P final. First state, end state. So initial state, final state, initial state, final state. So here V1 and V2 also, V1 and V2 are VI or VF. So here we have consider PF and VF, both are, sorry, PI and VI both are initial states, and PF and VF both are final states. Or P1 V1 both are initial states, and P2 V2 both are final states. So here let P and V be the pressure and volume at any intermediate state C. So here we assume that pressure P remains constant for all small increase in volume dV. Then work done dW equal to P into dV. Then work done dW equal to P into dV. Next, total work done W equal to integration VI to VF P into dV. Total work done W equal to integration VI to VF into P dV. So already we know that PV equal to RT. So then P equal to RT by V. Value substitute in this equation. W equal to integrate VI to VF. In P place we have to write RT by V into dV. So RT is constant. W equal to RT is constant. Integration VI to VF 1 by V into dV. So then W equal to RT log VF by VI base C. Or we can write W equal to RT log V2 by V1 base C also. So this is final state, this is initial state. Here V2 by V1. So here base C, we want to convert base 10, then multiply with 2.3026. 2.3026 into RT log V2 by V1 base E. So this is the work done in isothermal process. What is the work done in isothermal process? W equal to RT log V2 by V1 base C, or W equal to 2.3026 RT log V2 by V1 base C. This is the work done in isothermal process. Next, work done in an adiabatic process. Work done in and adiabatic process. So here also consider an ideal gas with initial and final states of P1, V1 and V2, P2, V2, Pi, Vi and Pf, Vf. So here also 1 gram, consider 1 gram mole of an ideal gas expand adiabatically from initial state A to B. Then work done W equal to integration Vi to Vf, here P into dV. So, but in adiabatic process, PV equal to V power minus gamma, or we can substitute directly P value equal to K by V power gamma, K by V power gamma, because in adiabatic process PV or PV equal to, then we can write, so in isothermal process PV equal to RT, PV equal to RT, but in adiabatic process PV power gamma equal to K, constant. So then P equal to K by V power gamma. This is for isothermal process, this is for adiabatic process. P equal to K by V power gamma. So W equal to K is constant, V initial to V final. So 1 by V power gamma, I am writing V power minus gamma into dV. So already we know that we x power n into dn integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So then here what is the integration? W equal to K is constant, V power minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1. Vi to Vf initial to final. Next one, W equal to K into upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So when we substitute limits, then we get, so Vf power minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1 minus V power Vi power minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1. So W equal to K by this value common. 1 minus gamma common. Then here I am writing, so here Vf power 1 minus gamma minus Vi power 1 minus gamma. In next step, W equal to K by 1 minus gamma constant. So next step, here I am writing, so here I am K multiply with V powers, then K by Vf power gamma minus 1. So here in numerator 1 minus gamma, in denominator I am writing gamma minus 1 minus K by Vi power gamma minus 1. So in K place we have to write, we know that PV power gamma equal to K. Then in K place we have to write these two terms. Then W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma in K place P into V power gamma, Vf power. So Vf power gamma minus 1. So here P Vi power gamma by Vi power gamma minus 1. Then W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma. W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma. Next here P F Pf Vf power gamma. Here Vf power gamma into Vf power minus 1 minus Pf V, sorry, Vi power gamma by Vi power gamma into Vi power minus 1. So V power gamma get cancelled. We get W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into Pf Vf minus Pi Vi. So from this equation we can write W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma. So P2 V2 minus P1 V1, or this value we can write 1 by 1 minus gamma. So PV equal to RT. Then RT1 RT2 minus RT1. W equal to R common, R by 1 minus gamma into T2 minus T1. So this is the work done in adiabatic process. Work done in adiabatic process. First we have to define indicator diagram. We have to define indicator diagram after work done in isothermal process, after work done in adiabatic process. Work done in isothermal process and work done in adiabatic process. Next, first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. So what is the first law of thermodynamics? Means dq equal to du plus dw. This is the first thermodynamic equation. So how to define this equation means when a definite amount of work is done, when a definite amount of work is done, a certain amount of heat is produced and vice versa. So the equivalence is given by a constant J, where J is a constant called mechanical equivalent. Next, the statement of this law is, so particular form of the general law of conservation of energy. Suppose an amount of heat dq, an amount of heat dq is supplied to a system. So dq amount is supplied to a system. This is used to following three parts. This is used to following three parts or two parts. Okay. First one, a pot is used to raising. First part is used to raising the temperature of the system, which is equivalent to increasing the internal kinetic energy, that is du suffix k. So when system is observed dq amount of heat energy, then that energy will use it for raising internal kinetic energy and using for raising internal potential energy. Next, remaining part is used for external work. Remaining part is used for work. Then total dq value will use it for internal kinetic energy, internal potential energy and external work done. Then dq equal to, we can write du suffix k plus du suffix p. Sorry, du suffix p plus dw. dq equal to, already we know that u indicates internal energy. U indicates internal energy. So d, this is kinetic energy plus potential energy, total internal energy du plus dw. dq equal to du plus dw. So this is the thermodynamic first equation. So how to define this equation means, when system will observe dq amount of heat energy, this energy will use it for internal raising for internal kinetic energy and raising for internal potential energy and external work done. External work done. Then dq equal to, we can write du plus dw. This is the thermodynamic first law or thermodynamic first equation or first law of thermodynamic equation.